How do I make an uninsured or underinsured motorist claim in Missouri? Well, in Missouri, you have minimum insurance requirements of $25,000 for uninsured motorist coverage, but no requirement for underinsured motorist coverage. This is a claim against your own insurance company. So for instance, if you get hit or involved in a car wreck and the other driver has no insurance whatsoever, you have an uninsured motorist policy claim against your own insurance company. So you call your insurance company, you tell them about your property damage, you get paid for your property damage, and then you say, hey, I don't know if this other guy has insurance, or this other lady doesn't have insurance. I need to make a claim against the uninsured motorist part or provision of my own insurance company to get a recovery for the injuries I sustained. I don't know whether it's chiropractic, PT, whether you had surgery, whether you have a scar, whether you broke a bone. It doesn't matter the type of injury you suffered. You have an uninsured motorist claim against your own insurance policy. It's why you pay premiums, is because if someone hits you and doesn't have insurance, you're insured because you have uninsured coverage. That's different than underinsured motorist coverage in Missouri. In Missouri, underinsured motorist coverage is when the person that hit you has insurance, but not enough. They are underinsured for the injuries you sustained. So let's say you get injured. We happen to be in the Lawyers Weekly this week with a $600,000 settlement in a truck crash case. Now in that case, the trucking company that's required, trucking companies, interstate trucking companies are required to have either $750,000 or $1 million in coverage. But if it's an automobile, they don't. And the Missouri minimum is $25,000 for insurance. So a lot of people only have $25,000. If they hit you and they cause to you or other people in your car, your family, your friends who usually are in your car with you, if they cause you $100,000 worth of damage, you're underinsured by $75,000, and you would make that claim against your own insurance company. So similarly, the way you make a claim for underinsured motorist coverage is you contact your insurance company and say, I have an underinsured claim. They'll give you an underinsured adjuster. That adjuster will be different than either the property damage adjuster or usually different than the uninsured adjuster. You can tell the level of coverage on your insurance card. Sometimes uninsured and underinsured are rolled into one coverage, but sometimes they're separate. Or you can call your broker to find out how much you have. I've had a lot of conversations lately with clients about under and uninsured, and I thought I'd do this video. This is Gary Berger of Berger Law. We have a lot of videos on YouTube to try to talk about this. So you make your underinsured claim against your own insurance company, and then if your insurance company don't think they're going to treat you fair just because they're your own insurance company, because they're really not. Their job is to collect premiums and deny claims, right? And they're my best source of business. One of my best insurance companies are, because when insurance companies don't treat people fairly, they need lawyers like me. So if you can try to do it on your own, but if you feel you're getting shortchanged, and I have a whole chapters in books and some of the books on our website at burgerlaw.com about how insurance companies rip people off and the bogus arguments they make, like you can only get physical therapy for so long. After 6 weeks, we're not going to pay your medical. Uninsured, we don't have to pay you as much. Underinsured, you get a credit or set up. There's all these arguments that aren't necessarily true. And that you shouldn't really listen to them. Or you got paid by your wage loss by your company, they paid you while you're off, so you can't make a claim against us. All of that's not true. One of the best things to do in making an uninsured or an underinsured claim, if you're not getting the policy limits, I mean the maximum amount you can from your insurance company, call a lawyer. I'll talk to you for free for 5 minutes. I'll figure out really quick if you're getting a fair deal or not. I don't take cases where I can't add value. So if I can add value to your uninsured or underinsured claim in Missouri, please give us a call. Go to burgerlaw.com. Thank you.